Good morning, guys. It's Sunday today. Whew. We've got some exciting news. The Miata is getting new doors. So this is what they look like right now. All beat up and old. These are missing. Driver's side is all torn up. So these guys are getting replaced with these guys in here. Fresh Johnnies. 2 of them. 50 bucks. It's a really good deal. Brother, he brought them all the way down from San Diego area. So got pretty lucky on this. $50 will make this car look good again. So let's get started. Things are heavy, like 60 pounds, but this is really nice. Must have been garaged or something, because we almost don't have to do like anything to it. We need to make a quick trip to AutoZone because we don't have a mother freaking
screwdriver.
Phillips?
Yeah.
A Phillips screwdriver. So
we don't have one.
We don't have one.
We do not have one.
Let's go.
Okay.
That was the worst AutoZone trip ever. Car passing channel?
Yes, car passing.
Yes. Alright. Got our screwdrivers, so hopefully this will work. So our first step here is to pop the door open, and there's going to be 4 bolts on the side here. We already started. But from the hinge to the body, we're gonna disconnect both of those and then just swap the new door on. So let's start doing that. Once those 4 bolts are removed,
4?
Yeah, 2 up here, 2, and then 1, 2. They're loose right now, so the door's already moving. But I want to take this hinge off first because usually it's like pushed all the way down. So I just whack the bottom with a hammer and pop that out, and then we'll take out the speaker, but let's just get this out of the way first.
And then a tip, if you are doing this by yourself or need to take some tension off of those bolts, just use a jack. It works, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Finally got this out. I had a lot of trouble with mine. I think it was just because it was all gunked up in there. So I literally just got a screw and I hammered it up as much as I could. I put the screw in there because it fit like perfectly inside of here. Like this, I just hammered it out and it just popped out. After hammering away for a little bit, I kind of scraped off a little bit of the paint, but that's okay.
Our next step is to, because the door's about to fall off, we need to get the wiring. If you have powered windows, this is a little different for you guys. I'm not too sure what that would entail, but we need to, this wire is going to be just like kind of chilling there. So we have to take out this somehow. I guess we could just break it because we're gonna be putting on new speakers.
And they're not gonna fit.
That is true. Okay, so we'll pop this out.
All right, so if you get a jank speaker in your door like me, you just rip this thing off, and then you have, or at least for me, I have 4 screws here. This just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning.
We just jacked the wiring up, or Alina pulled it out because it was, sheet metal screws and hardware for plumbing and shit.
That doesn't even screw in.
Yeah, this is just coming right
so
out.
Janky.
Oh my god, look at this. 3 types of bolts. 4. I mean, at least I used 4, but Jesus, they're all different.
I'm holding on to it.
Fully released.
Oh, we can take it off?
Mm-hmm. Let's go put it in the grass. Okay, the door's off. What?
Can you take one of me?
Oh, you want a picture? Okay.
With my phone.
Look at that crap. Time to swap. Alright guys, so we moved the old door out, new door in. Looking at it in the sun, it's like, oh, it's not good paint at all. It's actually, yeah, it's sad. The other door had better paint, but there's just a bad dent over here. But now it's straight, so that's all that matters. Once we wrap it, it'll look nice again. But that just removes all the body work that we have to do to it. Right now, oh, I forgot to say, this is actually a lot harder than we thought. It's not hard as in like difficulty, it's just kind of tedious. So 2 people, I feel like that is at least, you need at least 2 people to do this. We're using a jack to keep it propped because you don't want to add tension to that hinge right there. So we already put the dowel back through that hinge and it's holding it. And we just hand tightened each one of those, and Alina's working on the bottom ones now. But I believe that's all that there is that you have to do. We're not really going to show the other side of, we're going to kind of go more into detail with this door, clean up the inside of it, change out the locks. We're going to determine which interior panel is better than the other and put those in. I know we are going to swap these mirrors because this one's just really ugly and crusty. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Alina, you want to say bye? Bye.